Hey, welcome to All Skill Tutor. Today's video reviews the Mimo, Learn Coding in Python app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Mimo is a coding education app designed to teach beginners programming in short, interactive lessons. While it supports multiple languages like JavaScript, HTML, and SQL, Python remains its most popular track. The app's focus is on micro-learning, breaking complex concepts into small exercises that can be completed in just a few minutes a day. In actual use, many learners find Mimo approachable. Its step-by-step lessons use simple explanations, multiple choice questions, and interactive code editors that run directly in the app. You don't need to set up a separate coding environment, which makes it easier for absolute beginners to get started. Daily streaks, progress tracking, and bite-sized challenges help motivate consistent practice. The app also offers real-world coding projects, such as building small websites, apps, or automations in Python. This helps learners connect the theory to practical skills. Some users especially appreciate that Mimo focuses on hands-on exercises, rather than only reading or videos. For people learning casually or trying to build a new habit, this gamified approach works well. On the downside, Mimo has limitations. While it's excellent for beginners, it may feel too basic for learners who already understand coding fundamentals. Some users note that explanations can be oversimplified, and more advanced topics require seeking resources outside the app. Additionally, most of the content is locked behind a subscription plan, and the free version provides only limited daily exercises. In summary, Mimo. Learn coding in Python is worth using if you're completely new to programming and want an easy, interactive way to start. It's especially effective for people with busy schedules who prefer short daily lessons. However, if you're aiming for advanced coding knowledge or want to build large-scale projects, you'll likely outgrow Mimo and need more comprehensive platforms. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.